Hey there. We're going to talk about sort two-dimensional shapes today. And this front page is pretty easy. I did go ahead and label these for you. And you can use this video to understand what color to color these. Use green to color the quadrilaterals, which is 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one would be green. Use red to color the pentagons, or 5-sided figures. Oh, here's one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Color it red. Use yellow to color the hexagons. That's 6. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's a pentagon. Let's try this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! So I would color that one yellow. So count the sides and figure out which one is a quadrilateral, pentagon, or hexagon, and color them accordingly. Now then, let's move on. Now I did some circling and underlining here. Hopefully it'll work. Which shapes have fewer than 8 sides? Circle them. Well, you have to count the sides. There's 1, 2. And guys, you can do this. You can count. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so is that fewer than 8? Yes, it is. So I would circle it. But you can number your sides. That'll make it easier. Now then, it says circle the shapes that have exactly 4 sides. It said circle them. So I'm going to do that first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that has 4 sides. Draw an X on the shapes that have more than 4. More, not less, more. So follow those directions. Circle the shapes that have more than 4 sides. Draw an X on the shapes that have exactly 4 vertices. Okay? And that's when you're counting these. Here it says sides. 1, 2, 3. Circle the shapes that have exactly 6 vertices. Draw an X on the shapes that have fewer than 6 sides. Always check those directions out. Read them once, read them twice, read them 3 times. Circle the shapes that have more than 8 sides. Draw an X on the shapes that have exactly 8 vertices. Multi-step. Mitch is playing a shapes game. Each side is worth a nickel. So that is 5 cents. Circle the shapes that are worth 20, each worth 25 cents. Oh, okay. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Woohoo! So that one's worth 25 cents. And I could go to this one. 5, 10, 15, 20. That one's not. So it says to circle the shapes that are worth 25 cents. So I would circle that one. And I'm giving you a lot to hear. So. But it also says shapes, more than one. Draw 3 shapes that match the rule. Circle them. Then draw 2 shapes that do not match the rule. Well, what is the rule? Shapes with fewer than 6 sides. Let's read that again. Draw 3 shapes that match this rule. Shapes with fewer than 6 sides. Circle them. Now draw 2 shapes that do not match the rule. So I would draw 3 shapes that have less than 6 sides. Then I would draw 2 shapes that do not have 6 sides. Okay? Fewer than 6 sides. And then I would draw some that have like 7, 8, and 9 sides. Okay? I would say draw your shapes kind of small, not really big. Alright? Which of these shapes has exactly 6 sides? Well, let me tell you what I would do before I even started these. I would go over here and I would put my dots on my vertices, and then I would count them. 2, 3, 4. So there's 5 vertices, and there's 1, 2, 3, and there's 5 sides. I'm going to do this. So 5 and 5. But always, I would go ahead and do these. So it has 3 vertices and 3 sides. I would do that with all of those first, and then boom, you just go through and answer them because you've already got the work done. Which shape matches this sorting rule? Here's the rule, guys. Always read everything. Shapes with more than 6 sides. More. Okay? So I tried to kind of show you how you can use underlining and circling to really make what you need to do stand out. And when you have these multiple choice questions, go ahead and do the work over here, and then you can just look. But you always double check. Don't go so fast that you mess up. Okay. Alright, guys. That is 14.6, sort 2-dimensional shapes. Enjoy.